BLACKVIEW A20, and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start here by using the home screen, find and select the settings. Right now let's scroll down and choose here system. From the following list, let's choose reset options, and as you can see from the following menu, let's tap reset app preferences. So this will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default application for actions, background data restriction from apps, and the permission restrictions. What's really important, you will not lose any app data. So if you are aware of this operation, let's tap reset apps. And that's it, the whole operation is completed. Now you can go back and start using your device with the default app preferences. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.